Welcome to this tutorial on setting up recurring invoices and enabling autopay in QuickBooks Online. If you have a client who needs to receive an invoice on a daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly basis, you can streamline the process by creating a recurring invoice in QuickBooks. Steps to set up your recurring invoice and activate autopay, so your customers can automatically settle their recurring invoices. To begin, click on New and select Invoice. To make this invoice recurring, click on Manage. If this menu isn't already visible, open it, then choose Automation and Recurring Invoice. Next, give a name to your recurring invoice series. From the drop-down menu under Type, choose Scheduled to allow QuickBooks to automatically generate invoices for this series. If you'd prefer to create a template with some details pre-filled but without a fixed schedule, choose Unscheduled. Alternatively, if you'd like QuickBooks to remind you to create an invoice but not do it automatically, choose Reminder. For this example, we will select Scheduled. You can also choose when you want QuickBooks to create the invoice before sending it out, giving you time to review it. Now, select Automatically Send Emails. Additionally, QuickBooks gives you the option to include any unbilled charges for your customer in the recurring invoice. Under Interval, you'll need to specify how frequently QuickBooks should send the invoice. For instance, in this example, the invoice will be sent on the 1st of each month, starting next month. You can also set an end date for this recurring invoice if needed. Next, fill in the rest of the invoice details. To activate autopay, you will need a QuickBooks Payments account. If you don't already have one, you can set it up here. If you already have an account, just choose the payment methods you'd like to accept for these invoices. AutoPay supports both card and ACH transactions. Once you've entered all the details, click Save Template. When your customer gets the invoice via email, they can enable AutoPay by selecting Review and Pay, then Set Up AutoPay. They can cancel this at any time if they wish. If you need to manage your recurring invoice series, go to Settings, then Recurring Transactions. Find the series you want to modify and click Edit. That's it. Now you're all set to save time by sending invoices automatically and ensuring you get paid on time with recurring invoices.